it that way, it seems pretty cheap, doesn't it? But after 17 years of working as a police officer and doing everything I can to serve my fellow man, there's one undeniable fact I've learned again and again. That even when you want something so much and know it's a once-in-a-lifetime deal, as a man or woman who spent so much time giving and giving to others, sometimes it feels impossible to be selfish and give yourself what you so desperately need. Which is why I'm going to do something kind of risky here. Not a risk to you, but a big risk to me. See, my mission in life for as long as I can remember has been to serve and help people. That's why I became a cop so many years ago. That's why I spent months and years doing everything I could to help Tara. And if I have to take a hit to my own wallet to help you, well, that's the price I'm extremely happy to pay. So here's what I'm going to do. We've already agreed that the 21-day flat belly fix is worth at least $197. But because you've watched this video and given me some of your precious time, I'm not going to ask you to invest $197. I'm not even going to ask you to pay $97, even though I know you'll agree that would be a steal. No, for you and for now, I'm going to do something a little bit crazy. For as long as this video is up, and not a moment longer, I'm going to set your price for the 21-day flat belly fix at just one simple payment of $77. And if you act right now, I'll take money out of my own pocket and give you a whopping 60% off. Which means if you simply click the button below this video right now, you'll get the complete 21-day flat belly fix program for the severely discounted price of just $37. That's the immediate action discount. That's the good news. The bad news is, to lock in your discount, you have to act right now. Why? Well, I'm actually in a bit of a fight with my amazing and extremely headstrong wife right now. After experiencing the power of this program for herself and seeing firsthand how this material has changed the lives of so many friends, family, and folks who have invested in the program, Tara tells me that I'm being a bleeding heart by setting the price so low, and that $37 is just way too cheap. That even though the program is tested and proven and powerful, nobody is going to believe that you can get Saks Fifth Avenue results at Walmart prices. And that to fulfill my mission to help as many struggling folks as possible, I may need to raise or even double the price. If you're still seeing this video, it means we're still testing to find out if we can make the numbers work with your incredible discount. But please, if you come back in a few hours or tomorrow and the price is higher, maybe much higher, please don't write me begging. If you pass up your chance to lock in your discount now, there's simply nothing I can do for you. Oh, and just to take away every excuse your brain can come up with to not do this for yourself, I'm going to back up everything I've said with a frankly incredible 100% money-back guarantee. Here's how it works. Just enroll in the 21-day flat belly fix right now. Use the material. It's so easy to use and as close to done for you as humanly possible. See for yourself how easy getting a taut, firm, flat belly and watching the pounds fall off of your body can actually be. If you don't think the 21-day flat belly fix is worth at least double what you're paying today, just contact my customer service at service@theflatbellyfix.com anytime in the next 60 days, and you'll get every dime back as fast as we can. Now, you might ask why exactly I'm being so generous. That's a very good question, and I've got two answers for you. The first is kind of selfish. After putting so much time and effort into creating this program and seeing how it changed my life and the life of my wife forever, I want as many people as possible to use it to create the body you want and deserve so much. The second answer is maybe a little sappy, I guess. It's because I want this for you. I want you to experience what it's like to look in the mirror and love what you see, to get compliments from random people on the street on how fit and healthy you are, to actually get excited about walking around with your belly exposed because of the stares it draws and how powerful it makes you feel. And if I have to put myself out there a bit to help you, I'll gladly just do that. And all you have to do is click on the button right below this video now. Okay, if you're not convinced yet, if there's still a little voice in the back of your head that isn't quite sure, let me do one more thing that will make this the easiest choice of your life, and to make sure you don't let fear of regret keep you from taking advantage of this wonderful offer. See, I want you to feel deep in your heart and deep in your soul that you're getting an incredible deal that you can be proud of. Heck, I want you to feel like you put one over on me by doing what I know you want to do so badly and enrolling in the program today. That's why I've got 3 very special presents for you just for saying maybe to the 21-day flat belly fix today. First, I'll give you my 7 minutes to a slim belly system. In the 7 Minutes to a Slim Belly system, I'll teach you my secret methods learned in 17 years on the police force that help elite law enforcement officers stay slim, strong, and ready for action in just 7 minutes 4 or 5 times a week. No sit-ups allowed. You'll be shocked how gentle and simple these movements are, and how you'll be able to get a flat, strong belly that puts gym bunnies to shame without ever feeling like you're working out at all. Your second present is your special collection of Flat Belly Fix done-for-you fat-burning smoothie recipes. Listen, we all know the worst part of going on any weight loss program is having to read labels, figure out what you're allowed to eat every day, and grind through preparing the right meals. That's why I've created a special book of quick, easy, delicious, and almost done-for-you meal replacement smoothie recipes. All you have to do is print up the special shopping list I've created for you and head to the market. Don't worry, I've made a point of making sure everything you need to buy is cheap and affordable. Then, whenever you're short on time and need a quick and filling fat-burning pick-me-up, just follow along with the incredibly simple instructions, throw everything in a blender, and you'll be eating healthy and feeling satisfied in shockingly little time, all without having to think about what you're eating at all. Your third present is something special. In fact, I can't do this for everyone. It's called the Flat Belly Fix Elite Personal Coaching. Listen, no matter how hard I work to make the Flat Belly Fix the most complete and easy to follow system it can be, there are always going to be questions and particular situations that come up that we just can't cover in the material. That's why I wanted to give you 1 full month of personal coaching with me and my staff. As soon as you finish your enrollment, you'll instantly be added to my secret closed Facebook group where you can ask me any question you want, network and bond with other folks going on the exact same journey, and get the motivation and accountability you need to stick to the program and get the amazing results I've promised you here today. So let's add this all up just so you can see for yourself what a great deal you're actually getting. With your special discount, you'll get the complete 21-day Flat Belly Fix program for just $37. We already agreed that the 21-day Flat Belly Fix is worth at least $97 all by itself. So that's already a pretty great deal. But then, and no additional charge at all, you're also getting the 7 Minutes to a Slim Belly system, the done-for-you fat-burning meal replacement smoothie recipes, and 1 full month of our elite personal coaching. And each of those should probably sell for $97 or more all by themselves too. If you were at the supermarket, that would all add up to $287. But using your special discount, you'll get everything for just $37. I don't know about you, but if I was at the store, swiped my membership card, and saw my bill for $287 worth of stuff plummet to less than $40, I'd feel like I won the lottery, or like there was some mistake. But no matter what, I'd rush to claim my discount before anyone tried to take it away. And all you have to do to claim your discount and take advantage of this amazing deal is click the big button right below this video right now. Then fill in your payment details using a credit card, debit card, or PayPal on the next page. And you'll have complete access to the entire program in just 2 short minutes from right now. Just click the button below this video right now. Pay your severely discounted enrollment fee. Go through the program. Learn the secrets of transforming your body in shockingly little time without starving yourself, dieting, or doing any real exercise at all. Experience what it's like to be in control of your body and in control of your life. If you're anything like the thousands of other folks who have used this program, you're going to be amazed at the change in your life and the change in you once you learn this. How everyone you meet just looks at you differently, amazed at the power and grace of your body. If you're like most of our customers, you're going to have a hard time wiping that goofy smile off your face, or keeping that joyous sparkle out of your eyes, or keeping your mouth shut when your friends and family ask to know your secret that created such a change in you seemingly overnight. Okay, it's time to take action. You might not know it, at least not consciously, but you're at an important crossroads in your life right now, and you really just have 2 very different options, leading to 2 very different lives. One, a lifetime of energy and hope and passion for life, where you love your body and are amazed every time you look in the mirror. The other? Well, the other is just a continuation of the life you have now. So listen closely as I tell you what your 2 options are so you can make the right choice for you. Option 1 is to leave this page without enrolling in the program. I think you already know what will happen if you do this because you've felt it so many times before. That feeling of hopelessness, of being trapped in your body, of feeling yourself getting heavier and more exhausted and more fed up with your struggle with your weight and with your body every single day. Wondering why it's so hard for you to get in shape and stay in shape, or feeling guilty because you aren't spending hours and hours at the gym every week, pedaling as fast as you can but not getting anywhere at all. I know you don't want that. I know you are sick of seeing your ugly belly fat staring at you every time you look in the mirror, or pretending it doesn't bother you and that you're okay with the body you have right now, of yearning to know what it's like to have power and control and energy like you did when you were a kid, which is why I want you to take a second here and seriously consider taking road number 2. In a lot of ways, it's the easier road because all it takes on your part is deciding you love yourself enough to say yes right now. Simply click the button below this video, enter your payment information right now before life gets in the way, and claim your spot in the 21-day Flat Belly Fix program. Get every single thing I talked about in this video, and quite a few surprises I haven't even mentioned, but I can't wait for you to see. Learn the simple, tested method that saved my beautiful wife, Tara, from a life battling type 2 diabetes or even an early grave. Learn the secret to a flat belly and a fit, healthy body that has been kept from you for so long. Remember, with your 60-day guarantee, you're risking absolutely nothing. In fact, all the risk is completely on me where it belongs. I firmly believe if I don't give you every result I've promised in this video, I simply don't deserve a dime of your hard-earned money. And with your special discount, you're getting half off the already ridiculously low one-time price of enrollment. Before we go, just imagine for a moment. Imagine yourself rolling out of bed and feeling light and strong for the first time in your life. Imagine seeing a bright, beautiful smile on your face when you look in the mirror and realize how powerful and beautiful your body has become. Imagine picking out clothes that show off your body instead of hiding your belly like something to be ashamed of. And then just click the button below. Let me take the weight. Let me show you the truth. Let me help you finally have the body and the life you want so much. I personally promise you'll be very happy you did. Again, I'm Todd Lamb, and I'm incredibly excited for you to experience what happens when you apply the 21-day Flat Belly Fix in your life. I can't wait to hear about your success. Thank you for your time. Simply click the button below now.